Alright, this is the Trimo that we were working on the other day. We spruced this one up. We gave it a little bit of a facelift. We can see that it's ready for another 50 years or so. These were, if you see here in the back, these were patented in 1911. Doesn't mean they were made in 1911. It was patented, so it could have been made a few years after that. But we could see that it cleaned up fairly well. We could still see a little bit of the pitting that it had, but it had quite a bit of it. We changed a little bit on the design, not too much. We grounded off some of the parts that were not very nice looking. And so it's a nice looking wrench now. It was already a nice looking wrench, we just spruced it up. So we just made it a little bit shinier, that's all. And it's ready to be used, but it's there if you need it. I don't know if I want to need it, but it's there. Let's open it up, see what it looks like on the inside.